Saka, because of time, this weekend, or maybe from today, in terms of gigs.
In terms of gigi, bangkhoja bamfonela. Ba bang bangkhoja ka dinomoro jaka. Ja 064 811 7519.
Ke ja bookings fair like.
Ke ja bookings fair. Bangkhoja ona.
Ska kwa motho a romela I miss you.
Ga ba romela I miss you ke a drop. A ke rate mtsara I miss you. Le ga botsa ka di bookings.
All right, o bookile kae? Re ka go tsa kae? Ba bolitse kae this week?
Beke ke sa tshi ke a khutsanyana ka re ke berekile too much mare. Ba mfone ke Sweet Pops so ke a Sweet Pops.
Oh yeah. We are today.
Today ke a Polokwane Rider Sport.
Okay. Suti raid.
Suti raid yeah.
Saka ro khwetsa kae on social media because of time, man.
Social media ba check out ka re se. Ke tsena Facebook fela, TikTok a ke yo.
Tshele le ngona TikTok?
Batho ba no
mpe. Asitsa gago.
Ba mpe.
Oh yeah. If ke search tsaka RSC ko TikTok ka kera account ha se ya gago. A o itse.
Asi di account ya TikTok ke be re ka Facebook.
Saka mna isha pele utume mna. The aim is to make money, eh?
Yeah, aim is to make money.
Rich.
I do lot of money.
Yeah.
Lot money ya Facebook baba.
Ke bona baba. What's mo di yang kana ko?
Khale ke tshwere tšhelete ya ka ke la polosha ka yona.
Ke a gago.
Ke a.
Ko ra o tsa bore Mr. Mike re ka o tela ko ra. Ra o tsara po.
A wona lo mo mthaka tse ba re mo kae. Ene ke ne gang le go la ba ka re ba ntshara so ba ntshara po. Ba mna nanga sibole.
O re gang re more. Ke Mr. More. Saka re sira le bo gata. Wish you had enough time, man, because of traffic. Yo, and learn re a fetcha re feditse kang. Oh, re feditse.
Re a leboga.
I bet it's so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Re a leboga. That is how we end the conversation, and that is how we end the interview and the show right here on Radio TF. We wish we had more time with the man.